May God's name be glorified. The Word of God. There are many promises for us. Today, let us see one of them. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 2. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will never sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you ablaze. Because of COVID-19, many of our dear ones are passing through very difficult situation. We can say that we are passing through waters or walking through the fire. Here, there is a promise for us, dear sisters. This promise is not given by man, but God Himself. The God who created the whole universe and created us, He is giving this promise to us. Not only that, He loved us so much that He gave His life for us. He is telling us that if we are passing through fire, then He will be with us. He will be with us. King Nebuchadnezzar made an image of gold and set it up on the plain Dura in the province of Babylon. Then he called officials and governors and judges and all the important people of his provinces for the dedication of this image. He then asked the people that as soon as you hear the sound of horn, flute, and etc., you must fall down and worship the image of gold of this statue. And those who do not worship will be put into fire. All except Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego worship the idol. The king brought them and asked them to worship the idol. They refused. The king put them into the furnace of fire. But the fire did not touch them. God was with them. They had passed through the fire, but it did not touch them because God was with them. The fire had not harmed their bodies, nor was a hair of their heads singed. Their robes were scorched, and there was no smell of fire on them. Dear sisters, we may have to pass through fire or pass through water. This promise is for us. He will be with us. He will help us to pass through fire. But He will help us, and and the fire will not touch us. May God's name be glorified.